Hello animal friends, you should know this. Gulls have the ability to adjust their breathing rate depending on their flight speed, ensuring an adequate supply of oxygen. When flying fast, such as when hunting for food in the air, they can increase their breathing frequency to meet higher oxygen demand. Conversely, when resting or flying at low speeds, they may reduce their breathing rate to conserve energy. This ability is one of the many physiological adaptations of gulls that allow them to function efficiently in a variety of flight situations.